in Fantasyland. Yep, and there's the castle. And I think we'll go for a walk through the castle because I think Lizzie's hiding in the castle. So let's go take a look if she's hiding in the castle. All right.
Look at that.
I love that.
She got excited about the hair. You gonna set up some hair?
Living dioramas. Spooky, but very cool. I like it. Oops, I tapped the glass. I see the fairies just did it. That's very cool. The fairies did their bring the candles. That's cool. All the candles are up. There's Sleeping Beauty. Hey, there's someone walking by the door. Here they comes. You all good, Mom? Look at all those creatures in the background.
Maleficent turned shadows with flame, spewing dragons. Stop this girl from off.
Yeah, really agree.
Turns us up into a dragon.
Make it pink.
Make it blue.
Make it blue. Make it pink.
Well, we went through the whole castle, could not find Lee's. Found a lot of other great things, but that was quite magical. But no Lee's. Well, we'll keep going around Disneyland and just keep searching for my wife. So stay tuned. We got a lot more coming.
Woohoo!